having spent a career in agriculture, environment and water, there have been a lot of changes in the last 20 years. You know, the inflows into the Murray-Darling Basin, Mick Kelty's recent report, where they looked at livestock, dairy and grains, and they say without any interventions in the next and looking at rainfall forecasts in the next 60 years, we might have a 40 to 60% drop in productivity and profitability.
And I think this is a chance for Australia to do a little bit of resetting its position in the Pacific.
I think what's becoming more widely accepted now is that a business as usual approach is going to prove more costly than an emissions reduction efforts over the medium to longer term.
I think my takeout is market forces are going to have to produce green products because our customers won't buy things from us otherwise. And perhaps that's the basic bottom line. You know, mercantilism is alive and well, but in this case, it's a great fillip for a environmental objective that we wish to achieve, I think.